Smart tips for a successful kitchen renovation. If you're looking to make some changes to your kitchen, it's important to understand the basics of kitchen remodeling. Whether you are hiring a contractor or doing it yourself, there are some essential elements that will help make your project successful. We'll be discussing the different design aspects and layout tips that can help you create a beautiful, functional kitchen in Castro Valley. When considering kitchen remodeling designs, focus on making sure everything is practical and efficient. This includes choosing an appropriate color scheme that reflects your personal style and complements your home. Think about which type of appliances will work best for your space. For example, if you have a smaller kitchen, then a smaller stove might be the best option for cooking efficiently. Also, consider where you will store items such as utensils or cookware. Having them within reach when cooking can save time and energy. The layout of your kitchen is important because it affects how easily you can move through the room while cooking or entertaining guests. The ideal layout should be well balanced from both a functional and aesthetic standpoint. Consider how much counter space is available and decide how many appliances you need in order to maximize this area. It's also important to think about traffic flow. Ensure that there is enough room for people to move around comfortably without getting in each other's way. Finally, think about the position of windows in relation to the rest of the design. Natural light can brighten up any space while also creating a cozy atmosphere. When it comes to designing your dream kitchen, taking into account all these factors will ensure that your project is successful. With careful planning and thoughtful consideration of design elements like color schemes, appliance size, counter space layout, traffic flow patterns, and natural lighting placement, all while keeping in mind budget restrictions, you'll be able to create an amazing new look for your Castro Valley home. With these tips in mind, start planning out the perfect kitchen renovation today. Thanks for watching.